Nakilala po namin si Miss Willie kasi po, nag-ikot po siya dun sa amin doon na kailangan po yung basura na ise-segregate, na isasaayos, yung pong nabubulok at di nabubulok. At yung pong pwedeng nating gawing hanap buhay habang nasa bahay lang.
Our core mission is to transform a community in finding innovative ways to upcycle these plastic waste while providing livelihood. So transforming these plastic waste to home furnishing and other home decors.
Yung pong mga nakikita po namin sa daan na pwede po naming pulutin, na pwede po naming magawang lubid, tapos po yung sa mga kinakain namin, balat po ng mga candy, sitserya, kape, nililinis muna po namin yun bago po namin siya gawing lubid. Sa isang araw po, siguro po, pagka yun lang ang pagtutuunan sa umaga, siyempre po, pag nakakain, nakapagluto, nakapaglinis, pwede naman po mag-umpisa ng paggagawa. Pwede po maka 40 to 50 meters a day. Kumikita po kami siguro na mga 2,500, 3K, or higit pa po. Malaki pong katulungan ito po sa amin kasi po tulad nito, nagbabayad po kami ng kuryente, tubig, tsaka yung mga iba pong mga gastusin sa bahay. Nakakatuwa po na ang paligid ay malinis na.
Recently, marami akong project on trophies and giveaways with the company kasi I also engaged them in one of our program, yung tie-up project, yung Trash Innovation and Exchange of Upcycling. So anything that they donate to us, it has to go back to them in a chair form or any product made of their plastic waste. And I started engaging corporate client like trophies and souvenirs. So mas tumaas yung sales namin and also open an opportunity abroad in making these trophies because all companies are trying to shift they're trying to have sustainability efforts. So I have another program, the social partnership, so I can replicate my project in other communities aside from the Taal community. To have a bigger social and environmental impact, I need to expand to other regions with the same programs and outcomes of what I did in Taal Volcano. So I'll be piloting 3 communities next year, but now I'm planning to expand only in Laguna and Batangas kasi kailangan ko muna siya i-perfect before I can expand to other region. Also, there are a lot of inquiries on replicating it to other countries. So that's also my dream to have a outlet in different countries because it's a global problem, di ba?